Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate the center of gravity. First, understand that the center of gravity, often abbreviated as CG, is the unique point where the weighted relative position of the distributed mass sums to zero. It is essentially the point where an object's entire weight seems to concentrate. This concept is fundamental in engineering, physics, and even everyday activities, influencing how objects balance or tip over. We will explore methods to find this critical point. For simple, uniform shapes, calculating the center of gravity is straightforward. If an object has a consistent density and a symmetrical form, its center of gravity will coincide with its geometric center. For instance, a perfect sphere's CG is at its core, and a rectangular prism's CG is where its diagonals intersect. This principle simplifies calculations for many common objects, requiring only basic geometric understanding. When dealing with complex or irregular objects, we use a different approach. The strategy involves breaking the complex object into several simpler, uniform shapes whose individual centers of gravity are easily determined. You then calculate the weight or mass of each component. Finally, you apply a weighted average formula, considering both the individual CGs and their respective weights, to find the overall center of gravity for the entire assembly. Understanding the center of gravity has vast practical applications. In engineering, it's vital for designing stable structures, vehicles, and aircraft, ensuring they don't tip over. Athletes use this knowledge to improve performance and balance. Even in daily life, from carrying groceries to stacking items, the concept of CG plays a role. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Mastering this concept enhances your understanding of how the physical world works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.